If we take a look at the history of our planet Earth over the last 2000 years, we will observe that there has been an explosion in the combined knowledge of humankind over the last 30 years. This has been caused by the collation of a number of forces coming together. The first, the World Wide Web, has unleashed the information revolution, as the result of which we have access to 1.5 billion websites at present, containing the information equivalent of 500,000 libraries. The second, the technological revolution has resulted in the mass production of computers, as a result of which every other person possesses a PC or a laptop with the ability to access this information, work upon it, and store it at tremendous speeds of millions of commands per second. And mobile technology, at the forefront of which is Verizon, has put all these abilities at our fingertips. And third, communications revolution. Again, Verizon has enabled us to transmit this knowledge in the matter of milliseconds all around the world. With a mere click of your mouse, you can send a message right from your email to the mailboxes of tens of thousands of people all over the world. And the social media has multiplied this even further. In the time that is required to create a post on your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter account, you can reach information to millions in the matter of milliseconds. These three forces, information, technology, and communication, have resulted in knowledge multiplying at breakneck speeds. Because knowledge created by scientists and experts in one area becomes available rapidly to scientists in another area, who work upon it, create new knowledge, and make it available to experts in other areas. The consequence is that the combined knowledge of humankind is multiplying year by year. And this is opening up ever new possibilities for us all to access that knowledge, to store it, to work upon it, and to create value out of it. It is like a glacier that has begun moving and is going to start speeding up exponentially. The option of stopping it doesn't exist. The choice you have is to either ride this wave and utilize it for your benefit, or become a victim of it and get left out. That is why you all here are knowledge workers. Our world went through various social stages up until 1750 AD. 90% of the people were in the villages, living off the land. This was the age of agriculture. And then the Industrial Revolution saw the setting up of factories for the mass production of commodities. This led to the age of manufacturing. Ralph Waldo Emerson, the American philosopher, expressed the age of manufacturing very aptly when he said, "If you can build a better mousetrap, the world will beat a road to your doorstep." Dominance in society lay in the hands of people who had better manufacturing processes. But slowly, the manufacturing processes became commonplace, and distinction was achieved through advertising, through promotions. This led the world into the age of marketing. However, the marketing channels also started getting clogged. And then in the 1980s, with the development of the personal computers, people got the ability to access information, to store it and work upon it. This led society into the age of information. Now distinction was created through access to information. However, with the development of the World Wide Web, information also became commonplace. There was no big deal to it. We are now in the age of knowledge, where distinction is achieved by utilizing the information available and converting it into knowledge that can produce value to people. So the most important resource in today's world is knowledge. All through history, resources were considered in fixed assets like land, fixtures, workers, finances, and repeatedly wars were fought for the sake of these resources. But today, an immigrant may land into America with nothing in hand except an idea and convert that idea into a huge corporation that impacts the entire world. And that is why, in this age of knowledge, most of you are knowledge workers. So, what is the important ability to succeed in this changed environment?